West TV ngoko twasiba ntugambera kurego mukasheshe nti izoba riri yancakare Chapa League edition y'ikumi tugendera izoba riri yancakare kandi ahita urugambira ebi turi mu rembo rwambara teams zone zabase kwandi ziko mu rembo rwambara enshonga neyo kwetegura izoba riri yancakare kandi kutabase kwandi tugambira ntinza kwandi kuseho buri action buri step yonera abase kwandi bavuze kwandi kuseho kurungi mnonga hano ambeho zitu za Tayari West TV. Of course shayis turi hano muri bihare mu rembo of course specifically ahari gongo kandi team zone z'abasekwane zikaho rwaza kwetegura izoba rya ncakare buna sekandi gambera twari bakasheshe right honorable Thomas Tayebwa ariko flagging off team zez kurwo mu rembo rwa Kampala anahita urugambira ebi basekandi bakikaho kandi hanuya muri mbara niza kwa nifunaho omwe babiri bashatu bana batanu mukaga twase twatuganiraho urugendo kuri abaruri batugambire embere kuzabasekandi zitambura batubongere ko batugambira embere abasekandi bazire bata na mnonga kandi okubasa kuba batambura kuriga Kampala kwasa kandi bika umurembo urwambara. Yes, sabo twakutangirira aha Tayari West amazina bakwetoha
Mark Amanya
twakutangirira Tayari West face yawe tennis hari nyowe.
Yes,
Chapa League urugendo kuriga Kampala ku Kampala, how was the experience on the way?
It was very interesting. We came so safe. The buses we are moving so comfortably. We reached here, we are still energetic.
Wow, mweteguire muta hawizo bari yancakare.
Itwe abashija bena turiyaha timu zona zija kine wasigara inyuma amaguru garije. We are ready to start our day tomorrow, which we've been waiting for. Go to planning.
Or team chi?
Team all the timers.
Yes. The president wa Rampara Bulls.
Yes.
Your face is not new to me. Anyway, mwe bari kuyija kandi twabakira kureka gira umuntu umutade unare wa Tayari West Shires mugambire itwenka Chapa League community neganyurwa mweta.
Community of course Mbara High School nisho meroritu ya Western Turukunda kwa katukora ekituri nabwecho itwentugaruka kugarukana community itwakuriremo kandi itwayigiremo byinji twine ibintu binje biturakore ko vestingisha merorite nco turabandizeho tukatayirirwa reri yaho tujya cleaninga state n'abantu ba business zone business community bariyo bakujana ba business batuha services tubahe sente. That's how we are planning.
Okay, mwe bari kuza twabashemerera kandi nza ko bakunda cyangwa tugakwatagane tongere kuba ntufunaho omwe babiri babishatu bana batugambire izoba niza kuba nditambura leta kandi okuba atambura ko rwo mu rembo rwa Kampala okaza kandi bikahanuye. Of course teams zo ni nyingi kandi nza kuba ntufunaho different teams baseka batugambira okubetegure na mnonga abuzanya kandi kurga okubarga Kampala okwiza kwikahanu muri mbara sebo twakutangirira aha Tayari West amazina
nabanyeta kabegambere Peterson
or team chi
team Bulls all
timers. Oh, nasaba all timers babiri urugendo rwashaje kurga Kampala ku Kampala
urugendo rwabarunje munonga
twabakira muri mbaro of course
mwe bari munonga kutwakira basebo
mwetegwire muta abwize bari yancakare
nyencakare mwe ntwetegireje munonga kureba ngo chikopo nite twashitwara
mwenda kutware chikopo uri wa mwaka ki
ndi wa 99.
Oh wow, necho muhendo munonga. Yes, tongere kwantfunaho abandi batugambere all team ki
Nyawende team all timers the invisibles.
All timers yonka twabakira muri rambe rwambara
Twashemerwa munonga kubana n'abatayari kandi twenda kubakakasa nyencyakare turi Mbara High School all timers ejene yabashija abakuru nyowenka za Chapa umwaka gwa 93 konka wasanga tukizana umupira magufa gagomere mu manyengu tuyino muramwa kandi ebyemizano nibyo kutereza amagara marungi
nabwakiwe nko muntu orukuza mu Chapa League
nizo Chapa League aho kuba nishanga yo banywana banje mfuna meme kago nyamba nabande bana bakunyije nyuma kuba mentaringa bakabasa kushomaje konkana munonga ebintu ebyemizano nibituyamba hamagara gitu mbwenu omuntu wawe ekintu kibakweta social capital nibasa kuba nakigambo mu rujungu konkana cyo tubisizeho omunsomu eyitu ya Uganda.
Wow, twabakira mu rembo rambara twereke twatagane nyencyakare mpora turuganiro bitu kutasonga tugambira kuri kasheshe nti nza kubantu bafuna kandi twabasa kubantu ruga nabo muri Kampala. Of course turi kureba basimbura and naito basakwa tukiro mu rembo rambara hanu kwasa kwitegura izobere yancakare of kimanyangu nyencyakare is a grand final kandi ya Chapa League edition y'ikumi tugenda izobere yancakare kandi antogera kwantu gambira nti team zone zabase kwandi ziko mu rembo rambara turi kwitegura izobere yancakare baseo na nyabo twakutangira Tayari West amazina bakweto
Noreen Rugambwa
Wow. Twakutangira muri Mbara.
Weba Sebo.
Ore team ki?
Holistics FC.
Holistics FC. That is from
Mary Hill High School.
Wow. Niyo nanyenda. Urugendo rwashaki kurga Kampala kunuyi.
It was okay really. Safe, exciting. It was a wonderful journey.
Mwetegwire mutanchakare kutereza vibe hari Chapa High School playground.
Rewind in English.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Of course tunatongera kubantu funaho omwe hari omwe mbatugambira entekate yo kuziri. Mbatugambira entekate yo kuziri.
Welcome back to the land of milk and honey. Your own Krar, Mbara High School. I'm happy God has enabled all of you to travel safely. This is just a landing point, Igongo Cultural Center. I beg that when we have done our remarks, we quickly board the buses, go through town. The bulls, the younger ones, your progeny are waiting for you eagerly, and we surely must have a word from you to them. Welcome back. Welcome back home. Allow me to recognize with me the team here, Mr. Arthur Kanyargeru, our DOS, the young man of senior 2H now, is here. Mr. Samuel Muramuzi, discipline, public relations. Our own BG. And we have moved with our youngest leaders. This is the chairman, Students' Council, and usually given with the head boy, current head boy, Ksava Kennedy. We are glad to be with you. And we have Alex and Skukuru. Where are you? Skukuru is around. He's on the wheel. And we shall see more of these people. Alexi, Owarugabo, Nwogu. Here is His Excellency, the current Deputy President of the Chapa Old Boys Association, Mukazi the General. Chapa, members, I have one simple request. One simple request. We are arriving and driving through Mbarara in the dark, and only what people can hear, witness, will be the bellowing, but we want them to see us. I pray that if you can, you organize tomorrow morning as we start our finals at Chapa grounds. You can make a drive around town and make our presence felt. Echapoe! Echapoe! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Alright, ntugomeza mumpora mpora kwantunga abantu bamwe na bamwe kwase kwatuganira nabo kandi tongere kwantira mutocho mitutari mwe na mwe. Of course no kimanyangu babara kwandi kumuremo rambara and ningira vibe no gihurra bashira muri Mbara nchakare otaferwa okwendera edition 10 hano murembo rambara. Of course no muri vibe ya higuru mnonga. Wow.
Gwende Chapa, Mumba Diao, Bobo Diao, Mama Sana Makundo Tile, Mumba Diao, Mumba Diao, Mumba Diao, Omutima Gwende Hamu, Mama Binti, Sana Makundo Tile. Listen. I want to repeat something. Let us think about our high school anthem, and then we get going. Let us. Listen up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome and most welcome to Mbarara
It is the Chopper League Season 10 Grand Finale. And of course, we are taking over right about now. Tayari West Gongo Culture Center, welcome and most welcome. I am going to take this opportunity to call someone. Let them sing. There's somebody? Okay. Barara High School, a school of hope, a symbol of authority, strength and ownership. Forever we fight against ignorance. God we protect thee against harm and infirmity. Chapa Mashai, Mugumena Mani. Yes, sir. DJ, wherever you are.
All right. Mpora tongera kwa tufunaho babatara bamwe bamwe kandi ayitugambire shayi turinza kusimbura kongera kwantaho umurembo rwambara turebe edition intujimara tuta of course vibe Nigeria higuru of course wasabwa ntungo bamwe bamwe bakutugambiraho ugendo kuri atambura and indeed tongera kwa tufunaho ajya muri bakutugambiraho yesho kuri atambura and indeed turinza kusimbura hanuya hari Igongo Country Hotel then torekera umurembo rwambara tongera kwa tusimbura kwiba yesho kuzirase kwa ndistambura tindi kumanyiwe aho ori aho kuturebera embera no zirevota Chapa League nchakare wayitegure kwiza kora abure kwiza basakoro tete bano mango cyogera cyase kwa nchiterera okutirase kwa nchkwisiho butunu kurga hari Chapa Playground nchakare ebiro ni 20 umurembo rwambara je kutokuzata Nishire timu zimwazireba bakire hanu y'abana twasekwantu bakira and indeed buri kimwe cyona kirese ko sekwantu kandi bera ibyo munji hanu ya umurembo urambara iwe ahin kuteka nti no wasobutahika lidonza kwikayo gata ya West kakugambira nti buri kimwe cyona zabantu kwisiho na munonga otakwasa kwika twasekwantu kwisiho live coverage in KG of course teams zabasekwantu ziko umurembo urambara kandi wabota kuchimanya ngo twasekwantu kwikaho kandi indeed twasekwantu kwikaho ntekata ya unchakare lidonza kwa ntambara kurunji munonga kumukureba basi zo kuzira hanu ya zona of course ni students ba obis but hanu ya enshonga basakano basoroza kurujya munako rwo murembo rwa Kampala okika umurembo rwambara reka tongere kwa ntambara nabo kandi tongere kwa tuganiro nabo mpora turebe imbere kuzara sewe zitambura Yes indeed of course buri muri natemba basi mureba bari mbagize ko batemba basi mpora buri muri batemba basi basaka n'borekera okutorase kwa ntukoreka mpora turukutambura turukushora hanuya umuri Gongo tukorekerera umurembo rwambara hagati tukabasa kubantu turebe mu igari bana gete gari basa turabya igari umurembo rwambara turebe sho kuzira sekwa ndistambura kandi okumukureba okore nibatemba bas zabo kire nkaka ekindi kugira nti nawe nshonga ni nkuru abo kuba twatinde kwa tuboreka okubasa twabareka kashisha bari kusimbura antwatinde kwa tuboreka nana omwabazyo abamara kwika umurembo rwambara indeed it is a vibe to vibe buri kimwe cyo nakitambura kurunji munonga and turiyo torekera umurembo rwambara utagaza kwa no action izobera nchakare grand final umurembo rwambara ari Chapa League atakumaya Chapa League nitekateka ngo ugiteze kurunje omanye nekoraki kandi turi edition ya kangahi edition y10 zikwanza kwantendera izoba iri nchakare iwe munywano wanje ari West umkire kaka mpora urembo rwambara cheka turutagasa turuteke a level yechika echa higuru ho otakasa kora wafero any action izora nchakare tuyonza kusimbura kandi kwasaka ntorekera kuriya umutawone yambara twasekora twareba niziha embere zuri kugenda omisho na munonga kire nkaka ebyo nibigenda omisho omurembo orwa mbarara wow ekifiteka ntenabwe necyo muhendo
It is Chapa for Chapa. Banaga for Barara. But I'll end up be told. Chapa League Season 10 Grand Finale. Listen up, ladies and gentlemen.
Vamos aprender a mostrar-me.
Shall we connect with them? Shall we connect with them?
Yeah, we want to be in the middle here. We want to see the buses, so we want to be somewhere in the middle. Gundaliwa, bango chuka. Hey, Mike, abena hinduka kugira ngo ezawa yo tukenstam. Mujja kutuura kuba kati eno shoti gye nina mujja gibaamu nnyo mwana.
Did you know we are bringing the Casablanca Gongo Culture Center now? This is Chapa League. This is Chapa League Season 10 baby. The grand finale, of course, you're ready.
Yeah.
If you see my eyes, if you see Chapa, the only thing you can say is welcome and most welcome to the city.
Yeah.
We are bringing the vibrations. Yes, sir. Casablanca is in the group right about now. Mr. Eagle, tell me. Listen to this one. And this is it. Mr. DJ is taking me to be our session right about now. Elevation time. Welcome to Banana. Let's take over the city, yes, sir. This is the Banana School Chapa.
Ancora Nea.
kwa motoka zaji.
Ana tonde kwa. Tangua. Ya pata sasa hivi. Alisi yourself here. Alex. Hey. No kwa sasa hivi.
With them in the interview, cut, isn't it? Yes. You guys are good. We were with them. Asigarao. Asigarao. That's okay.
Namba gene kuside zumuzingi soka zikuiteko simare mura yayi kandi bisi ukagana bisi basa mugambi Let's go the blues we come back for people get their attention. Hey, I found it. Saga for this. Eu museu. Kansula genete koze. Baya masenzi kunaga pote kosiaba. Inga dola bachi plan za abantu babalabe kuyita. No, it's okay. But you don't have another system fight. Coca-Cola di acqua. Right convoy, vai. Vai gramo sai. Vai avanti. La prendiamo fuori con la paura. Dire che giocano questa. Vedo girare. Andrea Mando,